What we're doing here today is testing our CBRN skills to do a sensitive site exploitation of a presumed WMD manufacturing site. They got a warning that there was a presumed chemical weapons lab, clandestine lab in the AOR. They did mission planning to plan how they would get to it, as well as what they were going to use once they got to it. So we've convoyed here to the site. They set up their decontamination, and then they sent their reconnaissance team to gather information on what the hazards are, what's down there, and potentially what happens next, whether they need to sample, or they need to do a leak seal pack of the munition, of whatever dispersal device. They were out here practicing in their MOP gear because it's important that we get that physical stress of what it takes to actually go into a scenario like this. We could have done a dry run without gear, but actually getting hands-on with the equipment while wearing gloves in this hot environment, the thermal burden of wearing the suit, it really tests our mental fortitude and how to operate our equipment. This exercise was important to test our skills and make sure that they don't atrophy. Skills like these aren't something that you are able to practice every day. So actually getting out here and going onto a target where there's unknown hazards and you're able to identify them, to figure out what the hazard is so that we can better mitigate or sample or do whatever we need to do to advise any kind of command on what the hazard is that persists in their AOR.